Straight! Tugging! Straight here! Right here! Blood! Blood, son! No!
June 24th, 2024. What began as a routine felony stop spiraled into a multi-front disaster. Boxed in on a high span, 3 suspects leaped over the ledge to evade arrest, triggering an unexpected crisis when a police K-9 followed them over the brink. This is the raw breakdown of a high-speed pursuit that instantly inverted into a life-or-death rescue mission.
Dog! 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 Sheriff's Office K-9! Up! Straight up! Up! Straight here! Straight here! Straight! Tugging! Straight here!
When these suspects choose to vault over the ledge, it reveals a state of absolute cognitive panic. Their brains enter a state of severe hyper-arousal.
Blood! Blood, son! No!
A common question viewers ask here is, why the dog jumped? Unlike humans, a police K-9 doesn't possess a complex understanding of gravity or structural risk. They operate on intense prey drive and absolute conditioning.
Straight! Straighter! Here! Straighter! Straighter! Here! Straighter! 180, my dog jumped over the bridge too, he's in the water. Straight here! Straight! Straight here!
And we need guys on the ground.
Straight! Straight here!
On the ground, on the fish. Get off here, don't come.
My dog jumped!
Don't come to us, go to the fish. Get on the ground. You're putting to the ground.
Not go to the bridge, they're swimming to the fish camp. The fish camp. 216, more traffic, please. Hey, you copy. Give me copy, dog, you know, traffic. Alright, get that steady up. Hey, right down here.
What?
On the rock, you're acting out the rock, get back in. Get away, I need you to get your dog. Yeah, he is down, over, he's down now. He's up right here.
Throw your hands now, you get okay! Throw your hands! Hold on, I got taser, taser! Taser, taser! Got him, got him. Going off on it.
We all are on top of the bridge.
I'll give it to you again, bro. Straighter! He's okay. Straighter! Straight here! Straight here, buddy! Straight here! Straight here! Here, buddy! Here, buddy! Community rescue, community rescue. Come on inside. Taser deployed, 1 detained. Where you hurt, man? Where you hurt? Straight up! Straight up! Here, buddy! Here, buddy! Straight here, boy! Straight here, baby! Straight, buddy! Come on, buddy! Come on, straight! Alright, I'm gonna descend this. Here. He impacted his face with the yeah. Watch over there. Hey, Sarge. Sarge is right here. Sarge. Yeah. Okay. Good? Yeah. Okay. Okay.
What's that big one? I think there's another one on the rock, one on the water. Right ahead. Right up ahead.
I'm on you, I'm on you. We got eyes? Yeah, I'm sinking. You're sinking? I got you, I got you. Wrong. You're okay, I got you. What do you got, Brad? There you go. Hey, baby, come here, Streeter.
Streeter, come here. Hey, buddy. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Come here, baby. You're okay, buddy. Hey, you on vest. Take it. You take him. We're going forward. I'm on your back. On your back. I got you. Sheriff's office, come out now or you will be back!
Side of the bridge on I-10 heading towards the Ivan boat.
You two together, I'm on him. We're doing, yeah, buddy system.
We got blue over here, blue.
Blue, yeah.
You came that way. Nothing that way?
Yeah, let's see.
Hey, I got a boat out.
We got a what? I heard someone scream hands over here. Make sure we pick this water real good for a gun. Where do you think the other one's? No. Over there. He's bleeding all in the water. All right, we've got eyes on him in the grass over here. Okay. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I was here for that. I was looking for the gun.
The pursuit was finally over, and the remaining suspects were cornered in the dark. But for one of them, the escape attempt had already turned tragic.
What? We have all three. We have three. Down there. Fell from the bridge, fell on a rock. Head split open, unresponsive. Agonal breathing.
Hey, get him on that side. Come down. Pull down.
There's two, but okay. Head injury and then another one?
He's more worse.
Okay. They both jumped, but okay.
There's two patients.
Yes. That one's head hit a rock.
Hey, EMS is right here.
That's the one we were trying to get down to a minute ago.
So this is not the same one.
No, I said that earlier. So that's the one that hit his head on the rock. That's where I was trying to lead you the first time. Yes.
He jumped up from Let me get that backboard right here.
Yep.
Everybody on utility van is parked in the driveway. So, yeah, they get Airbnb. I know if anybody's inside. If I didn't think they wanted to get a golf cart.
Buckle stuck.
The fucking ambulance is all the way across the street.
You're good, huh?
We're all gonna have to carry him across the street.
Keep going, man.
You better watch out.
Got it all loose.
I'm stuck with stick.
When you get time. So he had a pulse whenever he was with
Yeah, he had a. He like just lost that same.
He's agonal breathing, yeah. Legs are scared.
The bridge.
I got some
Somebody get ready to switch.
Alright, here, watch your knee, bud. Can you get this side secured real quick?
This guy gloves.
Alright. I see you ready.
Hard right there.
Get that 80 on him.
You don't want to go out that way? Yeah, it'd be easier just to hop on the
Do you want me to go move the truck to where it was?
Yeah, just get us close.
Are we having the
Only 3 got out of the car. We got all 3. Y'all got all 3? Okay.
They 3?
Only 3 got out of the car. We got all 3. Nobody's outstanding.
Just open the door.
2 jumped, 1 stayed.
Put your hands on.
Stay calm. Get call for help.
We go around it. You go around it. Ready? Everybody, 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Hold up. You got it?
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna do the best.
Okay, whatever you got, sir.
We need to adjust the loop.
Still need it.
Yeah, I don't know.
No, hold on.
I got a 1 ball right here.
351, do you have eyes on 335?
335. What you got?
We're just want to make sure you're 10-4. Nobody knows where you're at or who you take.
Okay, I'm 10-4. I'm with like 20 other deputies, and this was like 30 minutes ago. I was just making sure it was advised. There's a lot of radios out there.
Fine.
Doesn't matter. It's pretty sporting.
704. I didn't advise myself instead of overnight. 10-4.
While K9 Striker miraculously survived his leap of loyalty, the final outcome for the suspects took a tragic turn. All 3 were rushed to the hospital, but the blind choice made on that bridge carried a permanent price. The suspect who struck the rocks later succumbed to his injuries, a grim, final reminder of just how fast a split-second panic can cost someone everything.